Ever wondered which crypto payment gateway actually gives online businesses the lowest fees and the least hassle? We put 3 of the top platforms head to head, and the first one on our list is finassets.io, and it's already turning heads with fees as low as 0.2% and a built-in system that cuts USDT network costs in half. These videos are for entertainment purposes only and should never be considered financial advice. Do your research before investing. Now, for those of us that are in the crypto space, we are always trying to find trusted platforms that do us good on the fees, and FinAssets is one that is simply doing that, practicing what they preach and actually getting it done. From 0.4% to 0.2% with this new lower pricing here. So as we can see, this is just an example here. The higher the volume that you're actually doing, the lower the actual fee. So if we got this expected turnover for 10 million US dollars for example, then the expected monthly fees would be 0.25% on that. Say for example, we scroll it and we're just at 1 million expected turnover, it would be 0.3. And that's still actually really good. If we were maxing out at 15 million plus, you'd be going as low as 0.2%. But what's really important is, even straight from zero, we're still getting 0.4%. So even if you're not a big fish, if you're not a whale, you're a retail investor trader coming into the market, this is extremely attractive and simply a big figure that you cannot ignore when it comes to saving money on volume for these fees. Now that brings me on to the Tron Energy Calculator. So this is going to be talking about USDT on the Tron network and how much you're going to be able to save doing that. Now I am someone that's been in crypto for a long time, since 2017, and I have been using USDT on multiple chains, but Tron is definitely one of the chains that I have been using. Few reasons: it's fast, it's secure, and naturally, it already is quite cheap, especially when we compare it to chains such as Ethereum, ERC20 chain, for example. So how does it all work in a nutshell? Calculate Tron energy usage, estimate your TRX transaction fees, and see how much you can save with FinAssets Tron energy optimization system for your business. So doing a lot of transactions. So let's just go ahead as an example. Let's just say we're doing 200 transactions here. This is the estimated savings here. On 200 transactions, 460 Tron, a whopping 152 USD worth of savings just off a mere 200 transactions. So it's pretty simple. You put in the savings in TRX here based on the transactions, and it spits that out, gives you the savings. And what is it in a nutshell? It's a resource used on Tron network to execute smart contracts, and it's required for TRC20 transactions such as USDT transfers. And if you don't have enough energy, then fees are paid in TRX. So it's all basically here, it's all explained. So with the TRC20 transaction, it will typically consume around about 65,000 energy. So if that's not available, then around about 5 is going to be burned per transaction. But of course, the actual cost is going to depend on network conditions, as well as the TRX, which is Tron token, the market price at the actual time. And in terms of the business reducing on those fees, it's going to happen through freezing TRX there, pre-purchasing the energy, and of course, optimizing the transaction volume. Next, I want to draw your attention to the core tools and the services. So look at what we got here. We got the payment button, the crypto invoicing, crypto checkout, mass payouts, API integration, of course, for those external app connections, and the exchange, of course. So we're on the payment button here at the moment, which you can see, which is simply allowing you to add a crypto payment button to your website. So I've got a website selling shoes, for example, add a customizable crypto payment button with strong security control, and you can start accepting stuff like Bitcoin and other altcoin payments after actually onboarding. So that's pretty cool. Talks you through how to actually add that button to your website. And again, all done on Tron network to have those USDT savings. So that's absolutely fantastic. Then, of course, as we mentioned, you've got your invoicing here. So you can send extremely professional crypto invoices in seconds. So get paid in that Bitcoin, that Ethereum, the stable coins, nice and easy, and you can generate that crypto invoice. Also, great to see they've got all these how-to tutorials to go into a bit more depth in the form of YouTube content to see how to do that once you actually get started officially with it as well. Got the crypto checkout section as well. This is awesome. This is one that I'm going to probably start using pretty soon. And this is great because essentially you add crypto checkout, customers pay with crypto, it gets verified on the blockchain, so it's all there, and then you receive that payment. So really good to have that feature there as well. Also really effective for mass payouts too. So it's going to enable you to help scale your business effectively when you're doing bulk payments to employees, affiliates, partners, and stuff like that. Also a video on how to do that as well. All of the how-tos, great to see it. Got the API integration, which you know that's about connecting external apps inside. And then we've also got the exchange here, which is more business to business as well. And it's really simple. Just go ahead, get that API access. It's super easy. Just generate your API key, connect your platform or backend, create transactions, invoices, and then monitor payments and balance in real time. And FinAssets is just fantastic because no matter what kind of business you've got, whether you're selling Pokemon cards, whether you're selling shoes, whatever it might be, e-commerce stuff, courses, digital products, this is going to be the perfect solution for your business. Anything e-commerce related, even if it's a physical store and you've got these physical devices and machines at checkout, such as Square and things like that, FinAssets is just perfect for integrating into any of this, no matter the business you have. And amazingly, it does support over 70 plus different cryptocurrencies as well, and also with strong security controls, which I love. Strong hardware protection, robust security control, and of course, regulatory compliance. It's also perfectly suited to iGaming, SaaS, e-commerce platforms, as well as Forex businesses too. And before committing, you can actually go ahead without even registering and try the free demo sandbox as well. Okay, you just need to get in here, pop your email in there and everything, get set up, and then you can get instant access to the demo. All right, so the next one we're going to be checking out in rank number 2 is going to be CoinGate here. So it's essentially another stablecoin and crypto gateway designed for businesses. Now, in terms of their licensing, they do have that MiCA license in the EU, which is actually pretty good. And with over 500 global platforms and marketplaces, it does make CoinGate a pretty reasonable choice. But I still do feel like compared to FinAssets in terms of the actual fees themselves and just the accessibility, particularly for beginners, I do feel like FinAssets does still take the cake. They do make it pretty simple in terms of just being able to check out, pay, settle, and then withdraw quite easily within the app. As well as having good API integrations, it's a no-code dashboard, as well as other e-commerce plugins as well. There's 13% annual growth, which they do actually boast in over 176 different countries. And with their business to business specifically, they've got automated payments there with 1 billion plus in monthly impressions. And next and finally on the list is another okay option being CoinsPaid. Now, I still feel like FinAssets does still take the case for beginners and intermediates. The ease of use is there, but this is also a pretty decent alternative as well. So what's cool about CoinsPaid is that they've actually got over 11 years of experience working on the blockchain. They do offer that free consultation, which is actually pretty interesting as well via the actual call. So I think that's a pretty good USP that they actually do offer for businesses that do want to get involved. They have also been mentioned for their stablecoin processing in places like International Business Magazine, Global Business and Finance Magazine, as well as a few other places too. And they do have a little demo section here where you can actually see how they do operate with their stable coins as well. And what I also like about CoinsPaid is that the actual team is been doxed as well, as we can see here, the co-founder Pavel Kashuba. So you can have a read through about all of that, which I highly encourage you to do. If you're ready to accept crypto payments with lower fees and less complexity, check the link in the description to try FinAssets.io's free demo today. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another one. Have a good day.